Hello everyone, we are Kevin Team 2 and this is our website for Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025.
So this is our website, Factory Pulse. This is for urban safety and industrial areas. Here is the dashboard of the website. Here incident report, so anyone can report any incident. There are waste processed, active alerts, every alerts from the industrial areas, IoT devices. This is the dashboard of the website. Again, these are the stats from month-wise stats from the industrial area. These are some notifications, fire alerts, illegal dumping, waste process, new year registration, every type of notification. Now, from here, anyone can report an incident. You can select the type of incident, fire, pollution, illegal waste dumping, safety violation, everything. And you have to enter the location of the where the incident happened, the description of the incident, and you can upload image if you have. Now, this is waste tracking. So, the government can track the waste that release from the industries. IoT status, these are IoT devices, temperature sensors, air quality sensors, surveillance cameras, fire sensor. Any IoT devices can be controlled from here. These are the stats from IoT devices. And now some features of our website. So, area monitoring. So, this is for the government, so they can monitor whole area. And these are the same waste tracking, incident report, same. Again, these are the stats. Topic wise stat, incident type distribution chart, waste processing time to overtime, and this is a monthly report.
So with this website, we hope that India will get a boost in its industrialization sector and will help in developing the Bharat.